What's up, Sphere crew? We're diving headfirst into the latest from Microsoft, and you know we've got the inside scoop. First up, Microsoft is trying a brand new tactic to keep you from downloading Chrome, and let me tell you, it's getting creative. Next, we're exploring the future of data security and governance in the age of AI. Microsoft Purview is dropping some massive innovations for Microsoft Fabric, and this could change everything for how you handle sensitive information and build AI models. Then, we're talking about making Kubernetes easier than ever. Azure Kubernetes Service Automatic is here, promising fast, frictionless deployment for everyone. Get ready to simplify your cloud-native game. And finally, a heads-up for Windows users. Microsoft is officially removing the WMIC tool after the Windows 11 H2 upgrade. We'll break down what this means for you. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a single update. Microsoft's browser battle gets bold. Microsoft is pulling out all the stops in its ongoing effort to keep users within its own ecosystem, specifically targeting those tempted to download Google Chrome. If you find yourself searching for Chrome using Bing within Microsoft Edge, prepare for a direct intervention. Windows' latest reports that Microsoft is now deploying a new, eye-catching advertisement directly within the search results, boldly proclaiming, "All you need is right here." This isn't just a simple pop-up, it's a strategic comparison. The ad features a table that directly pits Chrome against Edge, highlighting Edge's features and attempting to sway users by emphasizing its shared technology with Chrome while adding the added trust of Microsoft. It even provides quick links to popular web applications like YouTube, Facebook, Gmail, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Netflix, suggesting that everything you need is already accessible within the Edge browser. Microsoft's dedication to retaining Edge users is well documented, with past tactics including awkward polls and even obscuring Chrome download links. This latest move signifies a continued push to innovate user retention strategies. While Edge has seen significant improvements with AI features and performance, these aggressive, almost desperate marketing tactics could alienate the very users Microsoft is trying to win over. The tech community is buzzing, with many commenting on the lengths Microsoft is going to, questioning if these tacky tactics will ultimately backfire. Don't go anywhere, because what's coming up next is a game changer for AI and data security. And later, we're diving deep into simplifying Kubernetes with Azure Kubernetes Service Automatic, unifying data security and governance for the AI era. Get ready, data professionals. Microsoft is gearing up for the European Microsoft Fabric Community Conference in Vienna, and they're bringing a powerhouse of innovations for Microsoft Purview. This isn't just about data, it's about securing and governing it for the explosive growth of AI. The truth is, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Poor quality, incomplete, biased, or sensitive data fed into AI models leads to flawed results, data leaks, and a serious erosion of trust. With a staggering 99% of organizations already experiencing sensitive data exposure through AI tools, the need for robust safeguards is critical. Many companies struggle with separate, siloed solutions for data security and governance across different platforms, making consistent protection a nightmare. Microsoft Purview is stepping in with a unified approach. It consolidates information protection, data loss prevention, insider risk management, and data security posture management specifically for AI. This means seamlessly securing and confidently activating your data across your entire data estate. For Microsoft Fabric users, new innovations like generally available information protection policies allow manual labeling of Fabric items with automatic access controls. Data loss prevention policies for structured data in OneLake are also now generally available, preventing oversharing. Furthermore, insider risk management is now available for Fabric, introducing built-in risk indicators for activities in Power BI, helping detect suspicious behavior and potential data theft. Data risk assessments in Purview's data security posture management for AI are also previewing the discovery of overshared Fabric data. And for Copilot in Power BI, data security and compliance controls are generally available, allowing users to discover risks and govern interactions for responsible AI usage. The impact is clear. Organizations can build AI with confidence, knowing their data is protected. Analysts and data scientists can find and trust data more easily thanks to the Purview Unified Catalog, with new features for granular metadata viewing and custom attributes. Stay tuned, because we're about to reveal how Microsoft is making Kubernetes deployment incredibly simple. And get ready for a critical update on a long-standing Windows tool being removed. Kubernetes made effortless with AKS Automatic. Get ready to simplify your cloud-native journey. Microsoft is announcing the general availability of Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS Automatic, a revolutionary approach to deploying and managing Kubernetes clusters. Forget the complex setup and endless tuning. AKS Automatic is designed to be fast, frictionless, and ready to run right out of the box. This new offering accelerates app delivery by automating configuration and optimization, using intelligent defaults to simplify operations. Whether you're a lean startup or a large enterprise, AKS Automatic empowers teams to focus on building applications, not wrestling with infrastructure. It strikes the perfect balance between ease of use and the powerful extensibility that Kubernetes is known for. AKS Automatic is built on the same trusted foundation, powering mission-critical workloads for giants like OpenAI, BMW, and the NBA. It streamlines the entire Kubernetes experience, from container image to deployed application in minutes. Key features include one-click, production-ready clusters with pre-selected best practices for networking and nodes, intelligent auto-scaling for pods and nodes without manual tuning using HPA, VPA, and KEDA, and automated node provisioning via Carpenter. Security and reliability are baked in from the start, with Microsoft Entra ID integration, role-based access control, network policies, automatic node image patching, and pre-configured Azure Monitor. Deployment safeguards prevent misconfigurations, and automatic node repairs ensure uptime. For AI and cloud-native workloads, it offers GPU support and dynamic resource allocation. The response has been overwhelmingly positive. Early adopters have reported significant reductions in operational overhead, allowing them to dedicate more resources to application development. This means faster innovation cycles and greater peace of mind for development teams. But that's not all. We've got a crucial heads-up for Windows users that you absolutely need to hear. And next, we'll recap all the major Microsoft news you need to know today. WMIC tool phased out in Windows 11. Attention all Windows users and IT administrators. Microsoft has officially announced that the Windows Management Instrumentation Command Line tool, commonly known as WMIC, will be removed following the upgrade to Windows 11 version 25H2 and subsequent releases. This marks the end of an era for a long-standing command line utility. WMIC has been a staple for interacting with the Windows Management Instrumentation, WMI system via text commands. However, Microsoft has been steering users towards more modern alternatives for years. The company now strongly advises IT administrators to transition to Windows PowerShell for WMI-related tasks, scripts, and other functionalities, as WMIC will no longer be included by default in future Windows releases. Microsoft recommends exploring programmatic alternatives such as WMI's COM API, net libraries, or other scripting languages. This move is part of Microsoft's ongoing investment in PowerShell, which offers a more efficient and secure way of querying WMI. Removing this deprecated component helps reduce complexity and enhance overall security. Beyond simplifying the system, the removal of WMIC is a significant security enhancement. The tool has frequently been exploited by threat actors as a living-off-the-land binary, LOLBIN. Malware has used WMIC for malicious purposes, such as deleting shadow volume copies to prevent data recovery, querying and uninstalling antivirus software, and adding exclusions to Microsoft Defender to evade detection. Its removal will disrupt these attack vectors, making Windows environments more secure. While WMIC is being removed, it's important to note that the underlying Windows Management Instrumentation, WMI system itself remains unaffected. This change primarily impacts the command line interface for interacting with WMI. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Stay tuned for our lightning round recap, and don't forget to subscribe. And that's a wrap on today's Microsoft Sphere. We covered Microsoft's creative tactics to keep you on edge, groundbreaking Purview innovations for AI data security, the simplified Kubernetes experience with AKS Automatic, and the upcoming removal of the WMIC tool in Windows 11. Don't miss out on any future updates. Hit that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere, ring the notification bell, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels. See you next time.